Hello student, today I am here with another video which is based on complement of a set. So what is complement of a set? Its definition is let U be the universal set and A is subset of universal set U. Then the complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not the element of A. Symbolically, we write A dash to denote the complement of A with respect to U. So thus A dash is X such that X belongs to U and X does not belongs to A. Obviously, A dash is universal set minus A. Again, I am repeating this definition that whenever it is asked to find complement of any set, so we must have universal set. It is compulsory. To U be the universal set, A is subset of U, this is a set A, and we want to find the complement of the set A. So which is denoted by A dash. So this is symbol for complement of set A dash. So A dash is X such that X belongs to universal set, means A dash contains all those elements which are in universal set, and X does not belongs to A which are not in set A. It means we have to take all those elements of universal set which are not in A. So in other words, we can say A dash is U minus A. So we note that the complement of a set A can be looked upon with this another method in terms of this difference of set. Alternatively, the difference between a universal set and set A. Universal set and set A. So the universal complement of set A is containing all elements of universal set which are not in A, or in other words we can say A dash is U minus A. So in diagram how we can represent this thing, that this is universal set, this is set A containing certain amount of element, containing some elements. So those elements which are not in A but are in universal set, we can say are the part of this A dash, right? So set A is here, its complementary outside set A, which is the subset of universal set. So I am taking one example here. Let U be a set of first and natural number containing 1 to 10, and set A which contains all odd numbers between 1 to 10, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then how we can find the complement of A? So its answer is, we note that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are the only elements of universal set which not belong to A. Hence A dash is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So this is the complement of A. Clear? Another example. So this I am taking example of your class 11, that let U be the universal set of all students of class 11 of a co-educational school, and A be the set of all girls in 11. Then what is A dash? Because set A contains all girls of class 11. So complement of A would be containing, now what would be your answer? So A dash is clearly the set of all boys in the class. Then we have one important note for this complement of set A. If A is a subset of the universal set U, then its complement A dash is also a subset of U. So universal set is containing, again I am taking the same example, first and natural number. Set A contains first 5 odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We have A dash, obviously it will be containing first 5 even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So complement of complement A, this is known as double complementation. Complement of complement A is X such that X belongs to U and X does not belongs to A dash, because we want to find the complement of this set. So complement of this set means all element of universal set which are not in this set. What is this set is called? A dash. So complement of complement A is X such that X belongs to U and X does not belongs to A dash. Now here A dash contain 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now exclude 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 from this universal set. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So which is equal to set A. So complement of complement A is set itself. So it is clear from the definition of the complement that for any subset of the universal set U, we have complement of complement A is A. Right? Now we have some properties based on this complement of set A. The first property is complement laws. A union A dash, when we find the union of any set to its complement set, is universal set. A intersection A dash is phi, when we find the intersection of any set to its complement set is phi, because in that condition we won't be getting any common element. Now in this condition, when we find the union, so set A and set A dash, when we take the union, so it is equal to universal set. So with the help of above example, you can understand this thing clearly. Second law is De Morgan's law, or we can say important also. So A union B dash is A dash intersection B dash. The second is A intersection B dash is A dash union B dash. It means complement of A union B, complement of union of two sets is equal to intersection of their complement. This is the first De Morgan law. Second is complement of A intersection B is union of their complement. So in my next video, I will be explaining this De Morgan's law with the help of set properties. Next is law of double complementation, which I have already explained here, that complement of complement is set itself. Fourth is law of empty set and universal set. So empty set means no element. When it finds its complement, so we have all element, that is universal set. Universal set means all element. When you find its complement, we have empty set. So these are the properties of complement set. So we can verify these laws with the help of Venn diagram also. So now in next video, I'll be explaining De Morgan's law with the help of set properties. Then after that, you can start the exercise 1.